Do you have an idea for a product? Maybe you've been thinking about starting your own brand, but you're not sure where to begin. That's completely normal. Every successful product started as just an idea. The good news is, you don't need to know everything before you begin. You don't need a factory. You don't need to be a chemist. And you don't need years of manufacturing experience. What you really need is the right partner to guide you. That's exactly where we come in. At DOTSKIT, we help people transform ideas into real products. From product formulation to manufacturing to packaging, we guide you through every step of the journey. Maybe you're starting your very first business, or perhaps you already have a company, and you're ready to launch your own product. Wherever you are in your journey, we're here to help you take the next step. Too many great ideas never become real. Not because they're bad ideas, but because someone is waiting for the perfect time. The truth is, every successful brand begins with one simple decision. If you have an idea, let's talk about it. Whether it's just a concept or you're ready to launch, we'd be happy to guide you. Your idea could become the next product people trust. Let's build it together. Every product you see on a store shelf, every trusted brand, every successful business started with one simple idea. Maybe the next one is yours. Ideas can change lives, but only when someone decides to act. If today is the day you decide to begin, we'd be honored to be part of your journey. Thank you for watching.